Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You've got the picture ready. Now place your text box on top. Click Insert, choose Pictures to add the image, then immediately change the image wrap to in front of text so the box can sit over it. Next, insert a text box and draw where you want your caption or label. Make sure the text box has no fill and no outline to keep the picture visible. This gives you a clean canvas to type directly onto the image. Type your message and then style it so it's readable against the picture. Use the Home ribbon to set font, size, color, and alignment. White or black may need a semi-transparent shape behind for contrast. For emphasis, apply text effects or use word art from Insert for outlined or 3D looks. Once done, resize the text box and use the picture format or drawing tools to align and rotate. Make sure readability comes before decorative choices so the text communicates clearly. Finish by aligning precisely and grouping the picture with the text so they move as one object. Select both, right-click and group. Save your document or export the combined image via Save as PNG/JPEG if you need a standalone file. If the text ever vanishes, make sure the text box is set in front of text, the box fill is transparent, and the text color contrasts the picture. If needed, send to front or change wrap text settings to resolve layering problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.